Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your own laptop specs on Windows PC. So basically, or make sure to watch the video to the end to understand the concepts and follow these simple steps. So basically, there are many ways to see your own computer specs. The first one and the most known is by going to this PC icon here, right click on it, and here you go to the properties. So basically, here you will find a general idea or the detail, kind of detailed specs of your laptop or PC. So basically here you can find the device specifications. You can see the processor here, which is the CPU, the installed RAM or the random access memory. Here you can find RAM, and those are some other Windows or system specification, like this is the Windows Pro workstations, etc., etc. Otherwise, to see uh, the things or the specs concerning your GPU, you will need just to right click on the desktop or here and go to any control panel that you have or some desktop control panel. In my case, I have an NVIDIA GPU, so I have an NVIDIA control panel. If you have AMD, you will have something similar to this. And if you had some Intel, Iris, or anything else, you can find it on the specs with this PC. Or there is an Intel control panel too. So we go to NVIDIA here, and basically we just wait for the control panel to charge system information, and basically you can see all the specs or all the information concerning your GPU and everything concerning your graphic cards. So basically this is the memory, the graphics clocks, etc., etc., and here is the VRAM and other informations. So you can go to close. Otherwise, you can just go to the task manager by right clicking on this bar, and here on performance you can have also some informations concerning each part of your computer. So basically here is the CPU. I can see the speed, and also I can have like the base speed, the sockets that I have, how many cores on my CPU, etc. And also goes for the memory. This is the speed of my memory cards and how much slots are used, etc., etc. And that would work for anything else. So here is my GPU. You can see the name of my chip, and this is the memory. Of course, this is the total memory shared with RAM, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.